I know I kept saying we're gonna.
Hold on, let me put the batteries in his back. The energizers ain't energizers.
I know I keep saying that we're gonna put this line lock on, but I'm still waiting on parts. I'm missing 2 fittings. They're still in the mail. So today we get to play with this thing. What are we doing with this thing?
We're gonna put a clutch on it.
Clutch in it. This is not your ordinary Hyundai. This is a B swap K series.
B swap K series.
Nah, I don't know. I don't know nothing about a Honda.
It's
I know the clutch is gonna be in that thing.
Yeah.
It's
a F23A1.
Oh, this is a F
with the VTEC. It's fast.
So you just sucking all the dirt and stuff up through that hole.
Yeah.
So the air filter and shit, it don't matter.
Yeah.
You get all the fresh air. That's a cold air intake.
Cold air intake, yeah. It's sucking the cold air and dirt and grease in the hole too, but it does suck the cold air, makes it faster.
It's like a vacuum. It'll suck all that dirt up right there.
You know what I was thinking about? I can just be real. No longer a cruiser. You know what? The oil on this, no lie, it's just like a Ford. You gotta wash your hands 10 times and your hands full of dirt. Hey, come here and check out this brake line.
Oh, snap.
It looks like Adam's Speedway or something to do with that. They just twisted it out. They put a loop in it. Slow the fluid down, make the brakes last longer.
Oh, crap. Alright. So we're going to try to do this. And I've never messed with a Honda before, so this is going to be new to me. So I'm just going to kind of take stuff apart. We're guessing that, well, he was telling me that we take off these 3 engine mounts and then try to lower this or something. Then we can slide that transmission off. So this is going to be a new experience. Honda life.
Yeah. Honda life. Professional Honda.
I ain't got my skinny jeans, bro. So you got that broke loose and your finger broke at the same time.
Yeah. Got the old man skin look, it's all red around it.
You got that old thin skin.
Yeah. It's like I eat aspirins every day.
You forget what you was doing? Well, you need some Depends or something?
I don't think we even need to take the rotor off. Now that I'm looking at it. Hey. We need a big socket. Will that one fit?
Oh, we need some kind of special Honda socket. Here we go.
That's an inch and a quarter.
Man, that's a Honda. Ain't no inch and no quarter.
No, that's an inch and a quarter, so it's bigger than
Oh, what's that in
23
millimeters? 36.
36.
Alright, we got the bottom ball joint off there. And now we're trying to get this axle out. We probably should have tied this. And just let that hang.
I don't know.
And just the Honda hanging. Looks good.
What's gonna happen is when we take that loose, we're gonna get the transmission and drop it right here in
It's
this
gonna be
hole.
sitting right here.
And we're gonna slide it as far as we can back this way.
Just enough to get your fingers in there.
Yeah.
Or the clutch.
Yeah. We can get the bolts in it and tightened up.
Can't even get the clutch alignment tool in there. You just guess.
No, we gotta get the. We can't guess that one. I do want it to work.
Come on, bro. You don't ever want to do nothing fun. Look at you, Honda guy. Honda guy. He gonna sell his S10. He gonna sell the S10 and do a case swap on this.
No, I ain't getting it. Shit, no.
When you got big hands like me, it's hard to get in those.
I don't
little
even
places.
know. There it is, right there, right?
Yeah, back here, up under all this wires and stuff, right down in there.
Oh shit.
Yeah, yeah, shit. This some bullshit. So we gotta take this off probably. We gotta take this off. Take the distributor out. Take the valve cover off.
No, hell no. Hell no, we don't.
Needs 6 swivels and 3 extensions. That's some electrical tape. I'm fitting to get this bolt.
Yeah, I was gonna get it. I just, you know, be smoking again.
You ain't got time.
Yeah, I always gotta stop to smoke a cigarette.
He ain't got time to work on stuff. He got smoking to do.
Right up here is bolted to the frame.
So we just gotta keep unbolting stuff. You know how much stuff we done unbolted off of this thing? And we're still unbolting stuff.
It's bullshit.
It's bullshit. We do got the transmission apart a little,
Yeah, but you
but we gotta slide it. I don't know how we're gonna slide it in this hole without dropping this whole frame. I don't know. We're gonna keep at it. We'll be back in a few hours. It'll probably be dark. Yeah, we got bolts everywhere. I don't even know where all these bolts go back to. Well, oh, we did get the transmission apart here. Just to know, we got this ratchet strap holding it over out of the way. And we're hoping we can get to the pressure plate bolts here, take that clutch out, and then we can get to the throwout bearing and get this situation under control, I guess. All right, there's the old clutch.
where that shit come from? South Africa.
Yeah.
The hell they doing? That's where the Honda come from?
No, I think Honda's China. What is
the
Honda?
frick is going on, man?
It's South Africa.
What they know about a damn clutch for a Honda? They ain't driving a Honda.
They know this much.
That's something which looks a lot better and tougher, don't it? But where'd Honda get made?
China, man. China, Japan. Who made Honda? Dustin, who made Honda? Where does Honda come from? Like, is it Japanese, Chinese, Korean? From Japan. This is South Africa.
It says it on there.
What's your truck's gonna fit on
My
it.
truck is nervous.
Oh boy. Oh shit.
All right, hold on.
Next problem.
What you do?
It's not enough room. We're gonna have to, man, this Honda life sucks.
All right, break that titty off the end of that
But you need that to drive up in the thing to line it up.
You don't need that little
Yeah.
round thing. That round thing.
You don't think so?
Let me see what you talking about.
Oh, you talking about the hook?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's break that off. So we're gonna break that hook off. All right, we got the new clutch in there. It's barely enough room to get your hands in there. Got the new throwout bearing. I don't know if y'all can see it right there. Just now got that on there, so we're ready to put this thing back together. And never want to work on a Honda again in my life. Alright guys, we finally got the transmission bolted up back on there. It's not all the way tight yet, but we got it finally on there. That was a real pain in the ass. Trying to get them axles lined up in the shaft through the clutch. It isn't fun. Working on a Honda is not fun. I won't never own one of these things, I can tell you that. This is ridiculous.
You got the people on?
Got the people on.
People. If you get a Honda and needs a clutch, take it to the shop.
I'll take it to the shop. Sell it.
Sell it.
Sell it. This was horrible. That's all I can say.
Yeah, it was horrible.
I don't remember a job ever being that bad. I'm wore out. I am wore out. I don't know if y'all can see all the grease on my face.
I'm sure
But it's all over my arms. I'm covered in it. Look at my pants. All right. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.